this little IKEA cabinet shelf that I built several months ago needs some reorganizing. I have a lot of reusable things, rags, kitchen towels. As of right now, I need storage space for that. Maybe when the time comes, that will change. Maybe I will end up decluttering some of it. Okay, so I just gathered a bunch of boxes, baskets that I could find around my home. This is a lid to a box. For now, I'm going to be putting all of my unpaper towels in there like so. These are really great, like reusable paper towels. We are just gonna line them up on this little tray here. Next, I have kitchen towels to like dry your hand. I have 4 in rotation. So I used to fold them like this, you know, like that Marie Kondo way, but I have this really janky. I think rolling them will be better space-wise because I could put another one on top of it. I have quite a few. I'm wondering if I just need to declutter a couple for like cleaning rags. I am completely aware that my bagoos are really wrinkly. Yeah, I normally keep these in my car, but Lucas and I have been sharing a car. So all of my like grocery bags, errand bags, all of that, I have been living in the house because like I don't always have my car with me. This is like a plantern that I was gonna put like some sort of plant in it, but I realized it's like, I don't know what plant, it's a little weirdly shaped. Anyways, so I'm trying to shove all of these like little bags that I use for groceries and errands and stuff in here. Alrighty, final organization. I wish I showed you guys what it looked like before, unless I did film that. I don't think I did. Sorry, I'm really bad at this. I don't know what I'm gonna paint. I don't know what color I'm going to paint this. I'm still very undecided, and I know you can just go back over and repaint it, but I don't wanna have to do that. Then I also have a million plants on top because right now it's way too hot, so I had to bring in like half my plants from my patio because they were dying. They were like burning up. I'm pretty sure my patio gets like 10 hours of sunlight. But yeah. Oh, and then I have these cute little handles that I'm gonna put on here once I freaking figure out what I'm gonna paint it, but they're just like a green marble color.